أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are discussing some of the learning methodologies to be considered while learning Arabic calligraphy. First of all, we have to know the letters in Arabic alphabet. There are 29 letters including Hamza. Coming to Arabic alphabets, do we have to learn all the letters to masterize Arabic calligraphy? The answer is no. We have to learn Arabic calligraphy letters. That is, so many letters in Arabic alphabet are similar. That is, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal, dal, ra, zai, sin, shin, swad, lad, ta, la, ain, ghain. So we have to skip these identical letters and we have to consider the unique letters to learn and masterize Arabic calligraphy. So there is 19 letters, or we can consider 18 letters in Arabic calligraphy with not including Hamza. Then next term we have to consider is pangrams. Pangrams are the sentence which contain all the letters in the alphabet. Coming to English calligraphy, we have the cute brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a pangram in English. To masterize English calligraphy, we can practice this as much as 100 or 1000. Like that, we can practice this sentence whole in many times and learn or masterize English calligraphy. As all letters have a single style to write in that script. But coming to Arabic calligraphy, this is not possible or practical. That is, Arabic calligraphy in same script, there are various styles of letters, individual letters we are writing. First reason why Arabic calligraphy is not practical with this pangrams is that coming to this word Muhammad, we can write first meme in two ways. In the same Sulusa script, we can write meme and in two ways. Similarly, so many letters in Arabic calligraphy or in same script has different styles we can write by. Then second reason why pangrams are not useful in Arabic calligraphy is that when we consider a letter has its beginning style, middle style and ending style. Coming to ha has different beginning, middle and ending styles. Next thing we have to consider is types of letters. There are two types of letters in Arabic calligraphy. There are commencing letters and finishing letters. Commencing letters are the letters which can come in the beginning, in the middle and in the end without breaking a module. A module is a connection of letters. Most of the letters in Arabic calligraphy are commencing letters. That is, except alif, dal, ra, waw. All other letters in Arabic calligraphy are commencing letters. For example, we can consider Yahya and Minha. In this, first letters and middle letters are commencing letters so that it is not break into different modules. It is a single module as letters are connected together. Then finishing letters. Finishing letters are alif, dal, ra, wa. When these letters come in a word, the word splits into two or three. As like if a finishing letters come in between a word, in the middle of a word, it splits into two modules. That is, for example, Jabir and Alladina. In Jabir, alif is splitting this Jabir, whole word Jabir into two, as Jim and alif as one module and ba and ra as another module. From this we can clearly identify that when alif is come, as that is when finishing letter come in between a word, it can be connected from its right but can't be connected to its left. That is, in the word Jabir, when alif comes, it is split into two words. That's a rule in Arabic calligraphy that we don't connect these finishing letters with the remaining letters. Then coming to the word alladhina. In this example, alif and dal are finishing letters, so that this word is split into three modules. That is, alif as one module, lam and dal as one module, and ya and nun as another module. Then next we have to consider is letter connections. There are two types of connections in Arabic calligraphy: letters connecting from the top and letters connecting from the right. When coming to letters connecting from right, most of the letters can be connected from the right. In this example, Ba'da, Ba is connected from the right of Ain. Then coming to letters connecting from top, here Meme in the word Muhammad, Meme before the Ha. First Meme is connected from the top of Ha. From this example, this is clear that same meme can be connected from the right also. That is, third meme is connected from the right. From this example itself, you have to understand that this is considered by the style of the letter. Same letter, if different styles are coming, this determine the connection, letter connection from top or the right of the letter. So that we have to learn all the styles of a individual letters for masterizing Arabic calligraphy. Inshallah, in the upcoming videos, we are including individual letters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Include me in your duas. Assalamu alaikum.